Okay, on the reverse, to pull these out, if you guys can see, that's a little latch right there. There's the focus. So all the way around, to open these up, most likely you'll probably have to push this in, or at the same time prying this up like this. Let's see if I can do an example. If you can see it, it'll probably be like doing this, like leverage, pushing it in, the bottom one out, the top one out. And that would probably release the edge right there. Okay. So all the way around, and then just comes right up, straight up.